And I have been going ham all morning long, trying to get as much done as I can so I can pick up the camera and pretty much just jump straight into it. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, as you guys already know by the title of the video, we're installing a 326 wing onto the G35. I've been putting in mad work on this, guys. Let me just kind of show you what it is I have been doing. So right off the bat, this wing is for a 240, so I pretty much had to extend a lot of this up, and I didn't like, if you look at the G35 trunk, it kind of angles down or backwards, and I didn't like how the wing sat when it was tilted back. So pretty much what I did was I raised a lot of this heel up, and same thing on both sides, raised a lot of the heel up, body worked it. As you can see, it's primered, but it still does need a little bit of work, but I didn't want to bore you guys with all of that, so that's the reason why I did all of that off camera. But what I already went ahead and did was tried to get my measurements down as perfect as possible. I used a Sharpie and traced it. No, I'm just kidding. It was not a Sharpie, guys. I used marker for a whiteboard, so it does erase. And then I went ahead and used this because the wing did come with it. Unfortunately, it only had one, so I used one and did it 4 times, right here, and drilled out already tiny little holes so I know where exactly to drill. And now the scary part is gonna be actually drilling into this wing, or trunk, sorry. But for the most part, we have everything pretty much ready to go. I at least want to get these drilled out and done, and then mount up the wing, see if everything's perfect. If so, we're gonna pull the wing back off because it needs still a lot of body work, a lot of sanding, and all that good stuff just to get it looking as perfect as possible. And then we'll go ahead and get this bad boy mounted. So to start off, guys, let's jump straight into it. Let's get these bad boys drilled out. Like I said, I'm extremely nervous, but you know what? It is what it is. It looks so sick. I think you guys are gonna like it. At least I hope you guys are gonna like it. So with that being said, guys, let's drill out some holes. Went ahead and smoked some holes into the trunk, and they're big enough to where there will be allowing some adjustability. I don't know how well you guys can see, but it'll be some adjustability, and the head is big plus a washer. So that way we can kind of, like, you know, have some maneuvering around just to get the fitment that much more perfect. So with that being said, let's go ahead and try to get this bad boy mounted. Guys, so I almost forgot to remove the liner, and it looks like we are already in some trouble. This is all gonna have to be cut out. Let's see, so we have one hole here and one hole, you can see it's, let me try to show you, right there. So actually, yeah, so we're gonna have to cut a notch out of here and then a square out right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. There we go. So it's enough room now to pretty much get a screw or a screwdriver in there. So now I'm just gonna have to do the same thing right here, and then we're gonna have to. This one already had a cutoff for this wire for the latch. I believe it's for, or actually this latch right here. So I'm gonna have to try to find the same measurements right there and do it right here, which actually I could see there's little indents, if you guys can see, right there and right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut around that. That's from when I was drilling through, so that's good. That makes it easy for me. And look at that, Nissan, in case you guys didn't know. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and get this finished, and then we should be good to go ahead and mount it to the wing. And let me just take a second to say, I don't know if this is a primer, but I actually really like this color a lot. I'm gonna have to take this to a paint shop and see if they can match this. Look at the difference from silver to this. I like this color a lot. Guys, my girlfriend just got back from getting her nails done, and check this out. These things are freaking sick. Let me try to get it to focus. Come on, focus, focus. There we go. Look at that, guys. It's it. And then we got flames on that one. Or flames. Blood. I thought it was flames. It's blood, and then you have lost, or losers. But it says lover. That's freaking so cool. Damn, that's tight.
It's matte. It is matte, and then his balloon is glossy.
He's matte? Oh, that's tight. I just realized that. Oh, to make it actually look like a balloon.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Awesome. Guys, I struggled quite a bit, but I got the back part of this one screwed on. That way I can at least lift up the trunk. So now I'm gonna do the back part of this one, so that way it's all, you know, where it should be. And then I'll go ahead and start to get the fronts. But let's go ahead and set you guys up and get this thing fully mounted. Much mounted, not fully tightened yet, and I dropped one in there. I was using my magnet, where is it, right here, but I don't know where it's at. Ah, man, so that means we'd only have 3, so I'll probably have to keep one off to go to the hardware store and find one exactly like this. And there it is, guys. She is officially on. Looks really good. Oh my god, I am so freaking happy. So it's for the most part like flat actually, and same with this piece right here. It's pretty flat. A lot of body working to get that all even as well, but check that out. It looks so good. So I need to pull it outside and actually try to you know, see how it looks. It's pretty firm. Of course, I need the ones in the front though, and I might put some double-sided sticky tape as well. Not really necessary, but comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, I got back from the store, picked up some hardware. Everything looks really good, so I'm super happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the car pulled out real quick and then possibly give it a wash because it is extremely, extremely filthy. Alright guys, first impressions. I think it looks good. I think it's a little more far forward than what I wanted, but it doesn't look bad at all. I like it a lot. Once that side exhaust is done, oh my god. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you. There she is. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys like it. I think I did want it a little further back, but all in all, I think it looks great. There's a rear shot. It's pretty sunny, so it's hard to tell, but oh man, that looks so good. I like it. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. You guys like it? with the wing? Do you guys like it without the wing? Which one do you guys prefer? In my opinion, I think it looks hella aggressive with the wing. It suits the whole rear end, especially that side exit exhaust. Cannot wait to get that. But anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you guys aren't already. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. Please get me there, guys. And stay tuned because we have a lot more goodies to come. So I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.